To perform data backup on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, first of all, you will need to open a settings on your smartphone. Then we can scroll down and look for the accounts and backup. Select it from the list, and then you should have two options which allows you to back up your phone. First of all, also make sure that in manage accounts you have both Samsung account and Google account. Otherwise, those some of the options may be gone. And try to also remember those accounts and do not lose them. Otherwise, you will lose the backup as well. Now you can select backup data on Samsung Cloud or Google Drive. The one with Samsung Cloud will obviously back it up on Samsung Cloud, and you will need your Samsung account to recover it. And one with Google Drive will back up all of the files in Google Drive. So choose whichever one you like, and then in this case, I need to update Samsung Cloud, so you may need to do it as well. Then you'll be able to choose exactly what category of files you want to back up, like call logs, messages, contacts, settings, and etc. Even apps, if you want, you can back them up as well. And then when you select it, you can perform the backup. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.